Greetings, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use the Caesar cipher and the Vigenere cipher on Cryptii.com. So when you first get here, it's going to start on the Enigma machine. You want to move over to the Caesar cipher. Let's just go ahead and do a shift of 1. If you want to encrypt something, we'll start at 1. You can say we want to make it a shift of 5. We click over to 5. Whatever your text is will be encrypted over here. On the flip side, if you click, and I'm going to go back to 1 again, if you click decode, it's going to take that text, try to shift it over, and then you just slowly go through the different things until it actually makes a sentence. So that's how you would use this, is you just keep going through until it actually makes something. So copy and paste whatever the encrypted is, start at 1. It doesn't matter where you start, but just click, 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 click until you actually find one. I start at 1 because I think this thing goes up, and once you get past 25, it just keeps going. So it's now still just going through the alphabet again. Now, as for the other cipher, this one takes a little bit more work, so let's type in hello world. 2 things you need to know. You need to worry about this key, because if you remember how it works, that's what it uses to change each of the letters, and then it repeats itself. So let's just use cat, and I'm going to copy this real quick. So if we type in or copy and paste whatever you want to encrypt, type in the keyword, then it'll give us our encrypted message. Now, I'm going to change this to dog for a second. You can see it changes to something else. Now, I'm going to paste this in here, and you can see that dog does not decrypt it, right? Dog does not decrypt it, so what you do is you paste in whatever you want to decrypt. You type in its secret word, which was cat, and we should decrypt, right? So that is the concept with how you shift and shift back for all of this working, right? You type in whatever the code was, and then you can shift it back to the original. So again, hello world was cat, and then you decode, and then bam, there it is. So I think I had that backwards, but you get the point. So right now it's on encode when it should be on decode. But you can see that's, you just gotta make sure you're on the right one, and it will switch it over. That's how you use the Vigenere, is typing in whatever it might be, hello world, encode it with cat, and then if you want to decrypt the message, you need to make sure that the keyword is cat and not dog, because that doesn't work, only cat works. And I gotta decode. There we go, hello world, right? So kind of make sure you got encode and decode on. That's probably the hardest thing about this, is making sure you have encode and decode right. Other than that, that's how you use the Caesar cipher and the Vigenere cipher. Have a great day. We'll see you next lesson.